And so it's time to find some lunch. Now you know me, anytime I see a smoky pit pumping, it pulls me in like a tractor beam. This is Young's Burritos and Barbecue. I know, not a common combination amongst barbecue purists, but trust me on this one.
You know, sometimes the best barbecue joints ain't exactly the fanciest barbecue joints. We should call that character.
And the character in this place is as thick as the smoke.
Plywood ceilings, faux brick walls, big picnic tables. But hey man, it doesn't take a fancy building to make dang good barbecue. Just smoke, time, and a whole lot of passion.
The Young family has all of those things. And this is the oldest son, Jeremy.
All right, so who all's involved?
It's me, my mother, father, and my two brothers, which one of them has another job, but he's here when he's not working.
Y'all pull him in to
Yes.
turn briskets, or who's the brother that has to come throw the log on the fire at midnight or whatever?
We usually switch it up.
Oh, yeah, no, good.
You know, I guess when the family runs a barbecue joint, family chores can look a little different.
So that means y'all just
We
gotta
go-
feed the fire all the time.
We're feeding the fire all the time, and we're cutting wood all the time. It's a never-ending affair.
Do you have to get your own logs?
We do a lot of the time.
That's scratch barbecue when you
Yes,
gotta go
exactly,
out
when
and
you
cut
do
your
everything. We just don't butcher the cows. That's the only thing we don't do here.
The Youngs definitely have their own touch. They cook on their native mesquite logs and let brisket and pork ride these shorty pits for 16 hours.
Low and slow.
Low and slow. Lots of time. Lots of time.
Well, brisket's an art form.
Yes, yes.
I mean, without a
especially
doubt.
in Texas, yeah.
Yeah, without a doubt.
And while Young's brisket easily stands on its own, well, the Youngs have a way of mixing Texan and Mexican tradition into one serious lunch, the brisket burrito.
You can get your choice of like red sauce, green sauce, cheese, pico de gallo, barbecue sauce on your burrito.
How should I have it? I'll let the pro decide.
Do you like raw onion?
Sure.
Okay, I can fix you up then.
Okay.
I'll just fix
All right,
you up.
man. Here we go. Woo-hoo-hoo-hoo. Look at that, baby. Got us some pico de gallo, some verde sauce, brisket. All right, first off, right, you're supposed to sample the barbecue without sauce. Let me just get a piece of this brisket. Oh yeah, that's good. Here we go. Oh man, yeah, spot on. This is a little Tex-Mex mashup for barbecue. We're used to eating barbecue on butcher paper. Now we're rocking the aluminum foil. And instead of white bread, it's tortillas. Oh, and instead of pickles, it's pico de gallo. Instead of barbecue sauce, it's verde salsa. Changing things up a little bit, but I got no problem with that.
This is the kind of lunch that'll keep a man young.
Howdy, y'all. Thanks for sticking around and tripping Texas with us. Have you ever been to this spot? Leave us a comment down below and let us know. Or leave us a comment about a place that we've missed. And if you liked this video, chances are you're gonna love another video that's somewhere right about here. Or you can visit thedaytripper.com, where we have all kinds of travel guides, t-shirts, and all kinds of Texas goods that we've found during our travels all across the great state of Texas. But above all, what I want you to do most, remember the Alamo. I'll see all y'all out on the road. Vaya con Dios, amigos.